Warming up to English. Understanding, warm up. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common but interesting phrase, warm up. This phrase is used in various contexts, and understanding its different meanings can really enrich your English communication skills. Let's dive in. Warm up literally means to increase in temperature or to make something warmer. For example, before exercising, athletes warm up their muscles to prepare their bodies for physical activity. This prevents injuries and improves performance. It's not just about physical activities. We also talk about warming up a room when it's cold. In a figurative sense, warm up can mean to become more friendly or enthusiastic. For instance, if someone is initially shy in a social situation but becomes more sociable as time passes, we can say they warmed up to the people around them. Similarly, if you start to like an idea more after thinking about it for a while, you're warming up to the idea. Warm up is also used in speech and writing contexts. For example, a speaker might warm up the audience with a joke before delivering a serious talk. In writing, an author might start with an interesting anecdote to warm up the readers before presenting the main argument. That's all about warm up. Remember, it's a versatile phrase that can be used literally, figuratively, and in various communication settings. I hope this video helps you understand and use warm up more confidently in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.